Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I came up with today, and if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna be first doing my eyes today, but first I'm gonna be applying my Rituals Magic Lip Balm all over my lips, and then gonna move on and filling in my eyebrows with my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use a scotch tape to provide myself with some guideline and ease, and then using my Benefit Eyebrow Pencil and applying it under my brow bone area just to highlight my brow bone and define it further. Now for my base, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Super Liner in brown, and will be applying this onto all over my eyelid, and then using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow palette and picking this dark brown eyeshadow and applying it on top of all that brown eyeliner which I've applied, and then a skin tone eyeshadow on my brow bone area, and then just going back with my blending brush just to make sure we have no harsh lines. Now I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot in soft ochre and applying this right at the center of my eyelid. I'm also defining the very socket of my eye with the same, and I'm using a stiff brush to do that. So I'm just applying it holding my eyebrows upway so that I can clearly apply it onto the socket and my eyelid area. Then just going back with the same blending brush and blending out the edges. Now I'm going to be using a bronze shimmery eyeshadow on top of all those areas where I've applied my soft ochre paint pot, and then topping it off with a lighter bronze shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using my Tarte Pro Glitter Eyeliner on top of all those areas where I've applied my bronze eyeshadows. Then I'm just going to remove off my scotch tape and clean off the under eye area, and then going to prime my face with this Kryolan Invisible Matte Plus, and then going to move ahead by correcting my problem areas. And for my foundation today, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation NC35, and oh my god, I actually spilled my foundation, and that's way too much for my face, but I can't put it back into the bottle, so applying it all over my face, blending it as much as possible, and then I'm going to be using my LA Girl Velvet Bronze Stick on the contour areas, and then my LA Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige to highlight, and also my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW35 on my under eye area and around my mouth, and then my L'Oreal Infallible Paint Blush in Tangerine Please. And after an inch later, I'm going to move ahead by using my Sigma Nightlight highlighter on the highest points of my face, and of course, after another centimeter later, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix in NC35 to set my base at place. Here I'm just gonna apply some MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Finishing Powder just in case to avoid any finger marks, and then using my Chambord Smooth On Eyeliner to do off my winged eyeliner with an extended flick at the inner corners. Now I'm going to be using my Urban Decay 24/7 Perversion Eye Pencil on my waterline and also on my lower lash line. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to grab a flat shader brush and some black eyeshadow, and will be applying it on top of the eyeliner. I'm also going to extend this lower lash line to another wing like so. And then using that same Chambord eyeliner to crisp out my wings. And then my PAC mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And then applying my MAC matte bronzer and also my MAC mineralize in global glow on the eyes points of my face. Then using this combination of 3 blushes from my Kryolan blusher palette, and then moving on to my lips, I'm going to be applying my MAC Brick lip pencil first to outline my lips. Then I'm going to draw out these lines on the center and on the sides like so. This is a small trick to make your lips a bit fuller, and once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna shade in the areas and top it off with my L'Oreal lip gloss in Flash Dance. So this is how my lips look when they are done and some bindi, and with that we are done. So this is the final result, my girls. I hope you'll like it. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.